In this new video, we are going to go over a subset of ZBLL called Tripod. So pretty much, this subset of ZBLL is where at least a 2x2 block is solved. So as you can see, everything here is solved. So without further ado, we're going to get into the first alg. And the first one is going to be pure U. So as you can see, everything is solved, with the exception of these two corners, which are pretty much twisted. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the headlights on the right hand side, and you're going to do a anti-zoom into a back zoom. So again, that's anti-zoom into back zoom, into back anti-zoom, my bad. For the next alg, you probably will be able to know this alg if you know PLL, because it's just a Y setup. It's just a one move setup into a Y perm. So as you can see, corners are solved pretty much, and you have this 2x3 bar here. So here with when the 2x1 bars on the right hand side, you're gonna do R prime and Y perm, and then R to undo it. So again, it's R prime, Y perm, and then R to undo it. And for the next one, it's pretty much the same thing. It's a one move setup into Y perm, but instead you're gonna do a, so you're gonna have the 2x1 bar on the left side. And what you're gonna do is, instead of holding it from the back angle like this, you're going to hold it with the headlights on the left hand side and with the 2x1 bar, solid bar facing you. So what you're going to do is you're going to do F2 into a Y perm, and then F2 to undo it. So anyways, that was the first part of our Tripod ZBLL. Next week we'll have 2 more algs, and I'll see you again soon.